Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you don't know me already, I'm Tara, the dance doctor. This is my husband, Adrian, and today we are going to be doing a special Rumba tutorial for you. This is a class that I have filmed for my Patreon membership for the premium tier, where I have quick tip classes, choreography lessons each week, and dance workouts. But I am giving you a special access to this class as a thank you for being a subscriber and follower of mine, and as a reminder that if you want more content like this, you can find it there on my Patreon page, patreon.com/dancedoctor, where also this week I am offering a Black Friday sale, which means everything, memberships, courses, individual classes, everything on my Patreon website is 30% off. The code for the membership tiers is BF30. Everything else is just automatically 30% off. So head over to patreon.com/dancedoctor if you want to get access to more content like this and many other lessons. Now, without further ado, let's get dancing. Okay, so today we are going to be doing a two-part Rumba routine. This lesson will be the first part of the routine, and we're going to be going through a variety of movements that you use when you are dancing Rumba with a partner. He's obviously going to be doing the man's part. I will be doing the female part, and we are going to be also kind of doing it in an authentic way, which is starting slow and kind of working our way up into that Rumba-like frenzy with some other more fast and frenetic movements, okay? So traditionally, when we're dancing Rumba, we're starting with just a tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, because this is the time in which the man is inviting whoever he's going to dance with onto the floor. And so he'll invite her, we'll either walk onto the floor arm in arm, or he's already there and she comes onto the floor arm in arm. So this is a way traditionally that we start, or going side to side. But this is a traditional way to begin dancing Rumba. We wouldn't just go straight into the basic step. And so that's how we're going to be starting this routine today. We are going to go, we'll do it facing you first, and then we'll demonstrate it from the back. So al principio we go 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm actually going to do this with my fists on my hips, using this rolling action in the circles that I'll explain in a moment, and he will be doing the opposite hand of the foot that's tapping, okay? So if we do it from the back, he's going to start with his left, I'm going to start with my right, and we're going to go tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step. Okay, so he's doing the opposite hand with his forearm coming forward, and I am keeping my fists on my hips, elbows coming forward, and I'm going roll the shoulder, roll the shoulder. So the same shoulder as the foot that's tapping is going to go forward and roll back, forward and roll back, forward and roll back, forward and roll back. And this is kind of the personality of Rumba, which is he's trying to impress me, but I am unimpressed, okay? And if this shoulder movement is something that is tricky for you, I highly recommend checking out one of my many body movement courses or classes that is also on my Patreon page, okay? So we start with 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are going to take the same movement into a progressive direction. So I'm going to go tap, go back, tap, go forward, tap, go forward, tap, go back. And he's going to be doing the opposite. So he's going to go tap, move forward, tap, move back, tap, move back, tap, move forward. Okay? So we're just going together, step, together, step, together, step, together, step. Okay, and coming back to where we started. So from the beginning, desde el principio. Okay, yeah, we're on this side. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and now moving, we go tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step. Okay, let's do that again. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, and move 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here at this moment for the women, we can either keep our hands on our hips and continue to do the shoulder roll, or we can do what he was doing, which is bring the opposite hand forward, opposite hand forward. So it would be left hand, right hand, left hand, right hand. So I'm always doing the opposite hand forward of the foot that I'm tapping on. Also, I do recommend dancing with something in your hands so that you can practice keeping them an equal distance apart the whole time. So you'll notice as I dance this routine, no matter where my arms are, I'm keeping this taut. I'm not allowing it to move in and out. So when I do this, one hand is coming in toward me, and one is moving out away from me, and that makes it so that even if I'm dancing without something in my hands, I'm always getting the right dynamic of when they move forward and when they move back, okay? One more time from the beginning, and then we'll continue. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and moving 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are going to go into a halftime basic, which looks like this. We're going to go ba 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 oo ba 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 oo ba ba. This is another traditional way that we would move from this intro step into rumba. So we're kind of easing into it, okay? So we finished and we go ba 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 oo ba 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 oo ba ba. Half time. Want to make sure that we're still keeping the arms close to our body. Yeah, that's a very common mistake that when we do it slow, the arms go too far away from the body, which then gives the man too much of an opportunity to do the vacuna, which I have experienced on many occasions. So when we're doing this slow basic, you might actually keep your arms a little closer to your pelvis than you normally would. We also want to make sure that as we're dancing, even if you're not dancing with a partner, you're looking at your imaginary partner. One, this makes it look a lot more authentic because when we do dance with a partner, we should be looking at them the whole time so that we can see when they're going to do the vacuna. So as soon as we start here, I'm looking at him to the left, and ba, 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 oo, ba, ba. Then the last portion of this, the first part of this Rumba routine, of this class, is going to be just 2 Rumba basics. So we're gonna do ba, 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 oo, ba, 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 oo, ba, ba. Okay, and that concludes the first section of this routine. So let's go from the top. We go ba 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 oo ba 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 oo. We move and ba 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 oo ba 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 oo ba ba. Slow ba 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 oo ba 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 ba. And basic. We go ba 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 oo ba 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 oo ba ba. Let's do it one more time, and then we will try it with music. We go ba 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 oo ba 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 oo ba ba, and ba 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 oo ba 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 oo ba. Slow. We go ba 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 oo ba 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 oo ba ba, and ba 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 oo ba 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 oo ba ba. All right, now let's try the whole routine with music. 5, 6, ready, go. 1. much for joining us for this Rumba lesson. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you would like to see part 2 of this routine, do head over to my Patreon page, patreon.com/dancedoctor, and that will be the most recent Rumba class that has been uploaded. You can purchase it individually or become a member of the premium tier to get access to all of the classes like this one that I have filmed over the course of the years. There are hundreds of them. So if you are looking to improve your ability to pick up choreography, get more comfortable with dances like Rumba and Son and Afro-Cuban styles, I highly recommend becoming a member of that tier. He and I are also available for virtual private lessons if you are looking to improve your Rumba or your Afro-Cuban dance styles or your salsa or your lady styling. We are here. All of that is part of the Patreon membership, the exclusive tier. So check out all of the things that we have to offer. Thank you so much for being a loyal subscriber and viewer. We really do appreciate it. And until next time, keep dancing.